Morning children, welcome back to our science class. Today's you have higher order thinking questions. 6 questions are there. Then value based questions. You value based question, you mark the answer in the book itself. Higher order thinking question, you write them in your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. Take page number also, take book page number 112. Write the first question. Explain the role of yeast in making cakes. Explain the role of yeast in making cakes. Answer. Yeast is a key ingredient in the production of baked goods. Yeast is a key ingredient in the production of baked goods. Yeast is a bioorganic catalyst. Carbon dioxide is generated by the yeast as a result of the breakdown of fermentable sugars in the dough and makes cakes to rise. Write neatly. Did you write, children? Now write the second question. Banning of fossil fuels is responsible for global warming. Justify the statement. The combustion of fossil fuels also releases a large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which is responsible for global warming. Humans ban fossil fuels, releasing huge amounts of carbon pollution and trapping more and more heat in the atmosphere. The combustion of fossil fuels also releases a large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which is responsible for global warming. Humans ban fossil fuels, releasing huge amounts of carbon pollution, trapping more and more heat in the atmosphere. Now third question, discuss acid rain occurs due to emission of smoke from vehicles and industries. Rain becomes acidic in nature. Rain becomes acidic in nature due to the presence of certain pollutants in the air released by coal and industrial processes. Rain becomes acidic in nature due to the presence of certain pollutants in the air released by coals and industrial processes. Acid rain is caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which reacts with the water molecules in the atmosphere. Acid rain is caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which reacts with the water molecules in the atmosphere. Rain becomes acidic in nature due to the presence of certain pollutants in the air released by coals and industrial processes. Acid rain is caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which react with the water molecules in the atmosphere. Now, is rusting good for iron materials? Explain. No, rusting is not good for iron materials. Rust is a form of iron oxide. It occurs when iron combines with the oxygen in the air, causing it to corrode. Rust can affect iron and its alloys. It makes them weaker by replacing the strong iron with flaky powder. Rust is a form of iron oxide. It occurs when iron combines with the oxygen in the air, causing it to corrode. Rust can affect iron and its alloys. It makes them weaker by replacing the strong iron with flaky powder. Did you write, children? Do all the fruits and vegetables undergo browning? Explain. No, not all the fruits. Enzymic browning can be observed in fruits such as apricots, pears, bananas, grapes, avocados, and vegetables such as aubergines, potatoes, lettuce. The enzyme polyphenol oxidase or tyrosinase that when in contact with oxygen catalyzes a biochemical reaction of plants phenolic compounds to brown pigments known as melanin, which results in the fruit or vegetable turning brown. Write it past. Next, sixth question. If you completed this one, you write sixth one. Classify the following day-to-day activities based on chemical reactions by physical contact, solution of reactants, heat, light, electricity, and catalyst. 4 questions are there. Banning of crackers during festivals, fading of colored clothes on drying under sunlight, cooking of eggs, charging of batteries. Now, banning of crackers during festivals, chemical reactions. Yes, right, chemical reactions. Only answer, this answer you write in the book itself. Sixth question answer you write in the book itself. Okay, chemical reactions. Then second one, fading of colored clothes on drying under sunlight, exothermic reaction. Then cooking of eggs, tarnishing. Then charging of batteries, rusting. Okay, next one. Children, listen. That is sixth questions. That banning of crackers during festival, chemical reaction. Then fading of colored clothes on drying under sunlight. When it is not exothermic reaction, you write the answer there, heat. Okay. Then cooking of eggs, that is also heat. Then charging of batteries, electricity. Okay, children. First one only chemical reaction. That 3 answers are wrong. You write that. Second one, fading of colored clothes on drying under sunlight, heat. Cooking of eggs also heat. Charging of batteries, electricity. Okay, children. Okay. Listen. The 112 value based questions. Kumar is going to build a house to purchase the iron rods required for construction. He visited an iron and steel shop nearby. The seller showed him some iron rods which are fresh and good. He also showed him little older iron rods which are brownish in appearance. The price of fresh rods is more than the older ones. The seller also gave some offer to older ones. Kumar's friend Ramesh advised him not to buy the cheaper rods. Is Ramesh right in his suggestion? So answer yes, Ramesh is right in his suggestion because old iron rods were rusted. Just you write the answer. You write the answer in the book itself. Okay. You adjust and write. Yes, Ramesh is right in his suggestion because old iron rods were rusted. Second, could you explain the reason for his suggestion? The older rods are brownish and they are rusted. Rusting destroys the quality of the iron rods and harmful for construction. Rusting destroys the quality of the iron rods and harmful for construction. Next, what are the values shown by Ramesh? Responsible behavior, correct decision, caring and awareness. Yes, responsible behavior, correct decision, caring and awareness. Next, the page number 113. Palani Kumar is a lawyer. He lives in a luxurious flat. Due to high rent, he wants to shift his residence to a place where he has a chemical industry nearby. The rent is very cheap and the area is less populated also. His son Rajasekhar, studying A, does not like this and likes to go to some other place. Is Rajasekhar right in his attitude? Yes, Rajasekhar is more concerned over his family health than saving money. Yes? This is value based questions. Okay, children? So write the answer in the book itself. Second, why did he refuse to go there? Rajasekhar knows that the air pollution from nearby chemical industry would be harmful and affect his family health. Next, what are the values shown by Rajasekhar? Environmentally sensitive, awareness, caring and correct decision. Okay, children? Okay. We completed this lesson. You have study work. So you study all the questions. Okay, children? Okay, we will meet again the next video with new lesson. Thank you all.